Hi everyone, this is Ahmad. Today we are going to learn strings in Python. Okay, first of all, what is strings? This is the definition of string. If you don't understand, don't worry. I will explain you simply what is string. Do you already know A is a character, B is a character and C is a character. Okay, but string is a group of characters enclosed in double quotes or single quotes. That is like this. Of string are like your name or my name. Okay, after one is string operators. Pause the screen and write down these operators. Let me show you some examples of this operator. First operator is plus operator, that is called concatenation operator. Okay, see how it works. Suppose A is hello, sorry, string is double quote. P is C hello world. This is concatenation operator. This is used to add two or more strings. Okay, let's see another operator. This is repetition operator. Okay, see how it works. Print A down 3. See, hello hello hello, it gives 3 times, multiple by 3. Okay, these are all the operators, string operators. Like there is so many operators in Python, and after one of these string formatting operators, this is the string formatting operators. Write down these are operators. Another one is string methods. These are the main concept in strings. Okay, let's see methods with examples. First example is lower method. It will convert all uppercase string into lowercase. This is the example we write in code. A is A dot lower. It is a method. Print B. it gives small, it converts uppercase into lowercase. Okay, like another method is upper, that is used to convert uppercase into lowercase into uppercase. Okay, let's see. Yes, hello, then print a dot upper. Okay, it gives uppercase. Okay, I thought you will understand. Okay, another method is title. This title method is used to convert the first letter in uppercase. Okay, and another is length method. The length method is used to gives the length of the string. Okay, this is the example. And another methods are strip. This is used to remove white spaces. The strip method is used to remove white spaces. In the strip methods, there are also two methods, L strip and R strip. L strip is used to remove left side white spaces, and R strip is used to remove right side white spaces. Okay, and another method is search and replace. This is the example of replace method. The replace method is used to replace word to guys. Here the output gives like this. Finally, what is the use of strings in Python? In any programming language, data types are measured. Data types like integer, floats, etc. The integer is used to represent the numbers, and float is used to represent the point values like 1.0, 2.0, something. Like string is a data type that is used to represent the strings. For example, I already tell you my name, your name, and the data. Okay, I hope you will understand. This is all about the string. Thank you.